Hey, welcome back to RTOD. Just want to do a real quick wrap up video and really a thank you for everything this past year. And I debated on doing a video because, well, it's the end of the year. You know, everybody has things going on. And sometimes I don't watch thank you videos or wrap up videos. But I really wanted to put something out. Now, this video is actually being recorded on the 19th. It'll probably be released around the 29th, just because of, seeing family and traveling and everything. But really, the biggest thing I wanted to put out was just a thank you to all of my viewers, to the friends I've made through this year, and people that have stuck with me since the beginning of this channel. Just looking real quick, this year alone, I got 2,800 subscribers just this year alone. That's absolutely amazing. I think my big win this year was the IBM Selectric video. That's over 90,000 views. That's been huge, right? And it's humbling. It's very humbling, and I appreciate all the subscribers, all the watch hours, everything. But the most important thing about this, and something that I've appreciated more and more, is the community, right? I don't care what channel you follow me on, whether it's, X, Blue Sky, Threads, Mastodon, Instagram, the four people that follow the RTOD Facebook page. It's that interaction that is really appreciated, right? There's a lot of people who I've never met in real life, but I consider very good friends. Um, some people I talk to a lot, maybe not daily, but a lot. There's good interaction in some of the Discord channels I'm in. Some I'm more active, more of a participant. Some I just sit back and watch, right? Um, but that's really the biggest thing, and I think that's what makes this retro technology community really important and really vibrant, because no community can survive without the people, right? And for the most part, right, the vast majority are really good people, with their hearts in the right place, and they want to do the right thing for other people and share the talents and skills that they have to help the community, help newbies in the community, get their legs and grow in it, and just really, try to save some of this old equipment that we have around to make it last longer for the next generation. That's important. That's really important, and I'm always amazed at what people will develop or make, or code, to help these things. There's a lot of really great homebrew products out there. People getting PCBs made for test equipment, or adding functionality and peripherals to machines that were never designed with. It's a beautiful thing. It's a really, really beautiful thing. So this is going to be my last video for 2024. I currently am staring at one, two, three projects right now, that I probably won't touch until January, and we'll get those out. So I want to leave you with two things. One, thank you. Thank you for everyone that watches. Thank you for the people that interact with me, for the people that I call my friends in this community. You're all wonderful, beautiful people, and I thank you for that. The second thing I'm going to leave you with is Retro January, right? We're going to do it again this year. Last year, I got a really overwhelming response with people in it. Now, last year for Retro January, and let's back up a little bit. What is Retro January, right? It's an event, and I picked January because there really wasn't anything going on in January, right? But it's an event to highlight other people in the retro community, right? And last year was the first year for it. And what I did to kick it off was every day, every single day in January, I would highlight somebody in the community, right? It could be a big creator, it could be a small creator, it could be whatever, right? Um, And I think that went really well. I think we got a lot of traction on it. I think that um, creators with smaller followers got followers from it. They got more exposure. I think products and services were highlighted, and that's great. I'm not going to be doing daily daily shout outs. That was a lot. That was a lot to keep up with. Um, my goal for this retro January, because I've seen great growth this year, right? Doubled my subscribers this year. My goal for retro January is to highlight smaller creators, right? YouTube, or maybe just bloggers or something, just people in the retro community that have small followings, right? Maybe they're new, maybe they're brand new, and they haven't hit their stride yet, or maybe they've been doing this for a while and interacting, and either don't have a lot of content out there, or I don't know, just whatever reason, right? It doesn't matter, right? It's not a bad thing to not have a lot of followers, but that's my goal for this retro January, to highlight smaller creators or just people that don't have a lot of followers, right? And I'll sprinkle in, some of the usual suspects in there, the bigger people, right? But the people in this community that I think are important and should be constantly, put their names out of there. Um, you know, uh, Joe's Computer Museum, JCM-1, that is a huge hub of parts, and what's great about that is it's not just Joe's stuff, right? It's other people on there. Geek and Spiel to get case badges, right? That's huge, right? When you think about it, if you're finishing a build, a custom build, or even restoring a machine, if you don't have a Windows NT sticker or Windows 95 sticker, where do you get that? Right, you're not getting that anymore today. And I bought some of his products. I've seen a lot of his products, and they look as good, if not better, than OEM equipment. So it'll be a little bit of both, but I really want to highlight smaller creators, and that's not necessarily a global theme for Retro January. You keep Retro January how you see fit, but I would invite you to try to spread awareness for smaller creators out there, and share the love around, so that way they're noticed, and their work and their labor is appreciated by other people in the community. So I'm going to wrap this up. Like I said, this is going to be released on 29th or the 30th of December. So, after the holidays, no matter what you celebrate, I wish you a very happy holiday. I hope that, everything you want to accomplish in 2025, you do, right? Um, yeah, I think we'll close it on that. So, hey, if you like what we're doing here at Retro Tech or Die, like, subscribe, tell your friends. We'll catch you next time, or we'll catch you next year.